You're okay.
Come here, my darling. What you
Hey,
doing,
baby.
Daddy?
I don't have anything for you.
Let
Can I
her
have a
see.
cookie? Can I have a cookie?
Put your hand down there. Come on, my darling. Where have you been? Where have you been? Oh.
Is that a good cookie? We got you some new cookies. We did.
I do. Mama bought you some good yums.
Toss me a cookie.
Come here, baby.
She wants me to give her a cookie. That's a good girl. Such a good girl. Uh-huh. Yummy. Uh-huh. Oh, it's shiny. You like the little eye touch, huh?
Betty Lou.
Mama got another cookie for you.
Hey. Hang on.
I know you like them wet. You like them just a little bit wetter. Mm-hmm. Got a new cookie. You want to try a new cookie out? Huh?
What could I have?
These are Christmas cookies.
Look,
Picked them up just for you.
there they got sugar on them. They do. They have sugars. Yum.
Are they good?
Yeah, yums. Oh, yeah. Is that real good?
Kind of grabby, ain't you?
It's okay. Her can be grabby. Mama missed you. I saw something happen to my baby girls. I did.
Got her eye on something.
Mama see.